How to check your Instagram messages from both your PC and your mobile. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and let's get to the video without any delay. First, let's learn how to check messages from PC. First, open any browser and type instagram.com in the search bar. You will open the website of Instagram. Here at the left side, you will see all the menu. You just need to click on messages. You'll see all your messages here. To read the message, you just need to click on it and you'll find the conversation here. If any people whom you are not friends with sent you message, then it comes under requests. Here you will see all the message requests sent by strangers. Here are all the requests that you have hidden. In your mobile phone, open your Instagram app. At the top right corner, you will see the message icon. Click on it. Here you will see all the text and messages you have with your friends. Click on it and you will open their conversation. Just like the PC, you will see your requests in the request box. So here you will find all the requests that any stranger or people whom you haven't followed falls here. And that's how you check messages in Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.